Data loss happens to everyone at some point. Your entire life is stored on your computer and mobile device. Both are at risk for loss or damage. Think about it. Your family photos and home videos, music library, Facebook account, and if you're a business, then it's your financial reports and confidential data. Life is unpredictable and your data is vulnerable. A hard drive crashes every 7 seconds. Accidents occur every day. Theft and disaster can occur at any time. Your computer and mobile device may not always be with you, but your data ought to be. That's why you need the protection of SOS Online Backup, the leading all-in-one solution for cloud-based online backup and data protection. With SOS, you have the most comprehensive suite of online backup tools available to protect your entire digital life, including support for iPad, iPhone, and Android mobile devices, Facebook and social media sites, and the latest PC and Mac platforms. Facebook is constantly changing. SOS protects all of your Facebook profile information, friends, pictures, wall posts, and other data with regularly scheduled updates. With the SOS mobile apps for the iPhone devices, all of your contacts and photos are protected continuously. Have a busy schedule? With SOS Online Backup, you have the flexibility to schedule a backup of all your computers and mobile devices and to automatically backup files as soon as a change is detected. On the go, you can access all of your files anytime, anywhere, from any web browser or from your mobile device, including iPad, iPhone, and Android devices. Worried about security? No problem. The SOS system ensures complete privacy protection using a military-grade 3-tiered encryption system that protects data on your computer. SOS even saves every version of every file that you have ever backed up. Known as one of the fastest and most secure backup solutions available, SOS Online Backup has received 3 consecutive awards as PC Magazine's Editor's Choice for Online Backup. It's so easy to use. Here's how it works. Download and install the SOS software. Back up your data and set the software to run automatically. Restore lost files easily and quickly. It's as simple as a click. Access your files anywhere. Relax and know your data is safe. It's that easy. SOS backs up your entire digital life, providing the first truly all-in-one solution for the continuous protection of your irreplaceable information, photos, videos, music, financial documents, and social media life. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.